Hey, welcome back to Polo Quiz. Today we're putting your memory, and maybe a little bit of madness, to the test. Can you guess the brain rot just from the background of the scene? Get your eyes ready. Fire up your brain. Let's begin. Who's soaring through these clouds? That's Bombardiro Crocodilo. Guess the brain rot in this peaceful Japanese courtyard at night. That's Cappuccino Assassino. Who's swinging around this jungle scene? That's Chimpanzini Bananini. Can you recognize this legend from just this scene? That's Tung 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 Sahur, the baseball bat log. Who's hiding in this dreamy landscape? That's Berber Patapim, the forest giant. Can you name the iconic meme from this ocean beach? That's Tralalero Tralala. Can you guess the brain rot from this moment? That's ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta sahur. Can you guess the brain rot from these magical glowing lights? That's Ballerina Capuccina, soft steps and sweet vibes. What about this desert with cacti and a floating alarm clock? That's Lirali Larila, the sandal-wearing cactus elephant. Remember who's crossing this street? That's Boneca Ambalabu. Someone's hiding in that alley. Who could it be? That's Spioniro Golu Biro, the sneaky spy pigeon. Does this background remind you of someone? Wow, is la vaca Saturno Saturnita. We're in a coffee desert. Who's that with the cool shades? That's Fruli Frula. Which character does this place belong to? Yes, is Bananita Dolfinita. Who's hiding in these potato fields? That's Bombardiro Tralalero. Can you match this scene to its brain rot? Fantastic is Giraffe Celeste. Who's wandering down this quiet street? That's Frigo Camelo, the fridge camel hybrid. Can you recognize this legend from just this scene? Fantastic is Odin Din Dun Madin Din Dun. Now we're in a swamp full of mosquitoes. Who's here? It's another trippy troppy. Find the penguin. Perfect.
And our super quiz ends here. How many answers did you get right? You were a real champion. See you in the next game. Get ready for new challenges.